Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VUZI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house clean and just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update I'm going to do is actually adjust this level of resistance up here now that we have more data, and call that resistance right there at 375. The key thing here to note is whenever resistance levels are being quote-unquote adjusted to the upside, assuming you're bullish, that's always a good thing. Now, if if resistance levels are being adjusted downwards, that's not so good, but resistance levels being adjusted to the upside, definitely a good sign of strength, and that's just what happened there. So 375 going to be that current and newest area of resistance going into Wednesday. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the ideal level of support headed into Wednesday going to be right there at 330. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Certainly if the price can stay above there. However, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price falls below 330, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Because taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 330 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So all in all, another nice movement today, and the week is young, still 3 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.